Okay, hello everyone, it's Gavin Birchall here. Hope you're doing great today. So, quickly want to touch on the Bitconnect thing. I haven't shot a video since it officially announced that it was stopping its lending program, and a lot of people lost a lot of money obviously because of that. And it's a sad thing that's happened, and that's why I basically didn't recommend it to friends and family simply because it was high risk and a lot of people are saying they've obviously scammed a lot of people. They did give everyone their value in terms of what they had left inside the platform, but what happened was as soon as that announcement was made, obviously that had an impact on the price of Bitconnect coin, and whatever Bitconnect coin you had left in your account, the value of that dramatically dropped. I think it was like something like 96% in one day. So if you didn't cash out before the announcement, obviously a big, massive loss was made on people who had BitConnect accounts. It did pick up again, but I've heard on the grapevine that you only had 5 days or something. So I cashed out as fast as I could. I weren't in there that long, so the loss really was minimal for me. Just really, really feel for those guys that had tens of thousands invested in BitConnect. So yeah, but now I just wanted to quickly touch on that. Obviously, there's tons and tons of videos and everything on YouTube about BitConnect, so didn't really want to go into it that much. But yeah, time to move on. Time to dust ourselves down, take it on the chin, and look forward to Bitcoin and all the other cryptos in 2018 and see what they can do for us. So, yeah, just wanted to quickly touch on this latest bit of a downward trend in Bitcoin and especially the other coins. Cryptos in general, top 100 especially, have suffered losses over the past few weeks. And a quick shout out for Flat Earth Cryptos, who left a fantastic comment and an insight. They said the Chinese 2 week holiday is why Bitcoin went down. When they have holidays, they don't do anything or shop, etc. Bitcoin will be back when China goes online again. So obviously, China has a massive impact on the price. It's a massive part of the marketplace, the trading, especially of cryptos. So that makes perfect sense. That's one massive reason that it's gone down. And again, great comment there from Flat Earth Cryptos. So fair play to you. I just wanted to give you that shout out. So is the market crashing? Is this the end of Bitcoin? Definitely not for me. I'm having none of this. And another reason why we should not start running to the hills, panicking and screaming that cryptos are over is simply because look at the past data, which is what we're going to do now. We're on TradingView at the moment. So what I'm going to do is scroll back to January 2017, okay? And what you'll see will be of something that looks similar to what's happening now. So here we are. Look at this massive run up in late 2016, okay? Look at this. Doesn't it look similar to what's happened late 2017, early 2018? Massive run up, and then boom, look at this crash here. It followed this trend line here, and then it recovered, started to recover on the 12th of January 2017. And it did take a while. I mean, look at this here. It didn't get past this, didn't make the whole all new high until roughly around, I'd say, 23rd of February. So there you go. It's always better for me to look at the history of something rather than trying to just predict the future blindly and just kind of guess what's going to go on. So the patterns that have been going on for the past couple of years will leave some food for thought for you, and it's another reason why I'm looking forward to seeing Bitcoin and the rest of the cryptos shoot back up again sooner rather than later. So again, if we come over to end of 2015, sorry. So we're around about in October here. Shoots up. Okay, it's a little bit earlier. So 4th of November came back down, but then shot up again. Okay, and now all new high on the 15th of December 2015, and then look at this. It started to come back down again. So this massive drop here, you can imagine what people were saying on the 15th of January 2016. Bitcoin was probably dead again all the way back here. And it did struggle for a little bit. But to be honest, I mean, look at this upward trend here. Massive upward trend, sideways for a bit, and then look at this. In 26th of April 2016, reached an all new high. So again, Chinese 2-week holidays, and if you go back 2 years, that's a great thing about Bitcoin. It's got some history. It's had tests before. It's passed those tests, and I can only see it going sideways, if anything, for a bit, and then shooting back up. And we can see a prosperous 2018 ahead for Bitcoin and Ethereum and Litecoin as well, and the other top 10 cryptos especially. Because at the end of the day, all the other cryptos mirror what Bitcoin's doing. Bitcoin's obviously still number one. So, yeah, for me, no doom and gloom around here. I expect it to go back up soon, and we can all enjoy those gains. So the question is obviously on everyone's lips, how do you get the most out of Bitcoin going up in value? For me, the best possible way right now is obviously buying and holding, which I'm doing. But that's for the long term. For the short term to medium term, I'm going with Hashflare. So what I'll do now, I'll log into my account and show you how I'm taking advantage of Bitcoin possibly going up again in price in 2018 and beyond. So I'll just quickly log in now and show you some of my recent results. And remember, just before we continue, this is not financial advice in any shape or form whatsoever. Do not take this as financial advice. Just take this with a pinch of salt. Go out there, do your own research before investing in anything that I'm doing. Do your own due diligence and make sure you do some full planned out research and always invest with what you can afford. Okay, now that's over. Here we are in my Hashflare account. Remember, these are 1 year mining contracts. I've chose the SHA-256 package, and this goes out and mines Bitcoin for me every single day on complete autopilot. I have just invested again into a bigger package, and that's why you can see these payouts, daily payouts go up, shoot up, and basically dwarf these past payments here. So for the forecast, even now we're on $15 a day, looking really good. I'm on 12.57 terahash. Basically, I'm just reinvesting every single day or whenever I can, and watch this terahash go up. And then after 180 days, I'm going to start cashing out. So just imagine if Bitcoin breaks out of this recent bit of a dip and then shoots to 20,000, 40,000, and so on. You can expect these prices to go up. That's a great thing about Hashflare mining contracts. Once the price of Bitcoin shoots through the roof, you get to enjoy those gains by simply letting Hashflare go out and mine for you every single day. It's totally passive income, and again, you can cash out whenever you want. So that's how I plan to take advantage of something that's going up in value in 2018 and beyond. So feel free to check out the link to join Hashflare for free below in the description. Like I say, it's free to join and you can start with whatever amount you want. Obviously, you'll need a Bitcoin storage account, so you can join Coinbase. Check out the link in the description below as well for that. You can join Coinbase for free, and you can get $10 worth of free Bitcoin whenever you deposit $100 worth of Bitcoin or withdraw $100 worth of Bitcoin. So yeah, that's it for today's video. For me, I'm very, very relaxed about Bitcoin in 2018, and hope you are too. Hope this helps in getting rid of some of the noise, some of the negativity around Bitcoin. And remember, the 2-week Chinese holiday could have had a massive impact, and that could obviously have a positive impact once China goes live again. And obviously, you can take advantage using Hashflare mining contracts as well, and obviously holding Bitcoin for the long term. So again, feel free to chuck a like on the video, comments and questions, fire away below the video as well. Anything you want to add that I may have missed, feel free. It'll help the community, it'll help to educate people. And yeah, feel free to subscribe. Click the bell as well below the video to get instant notifications on my future videos. And check out those links again below. And check out all my past videos. It's got tons and tons of videos on there on how to get started in crypto and everything else in between. So again, great having you here today. Hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video.